Good morning, students. Today, till now, we have done reflection of light, laws of reflection, and I have also talked about that how a mirror is basically made by polishing a glass slab on one of its sides by depositing either silver or aluminum. So today, first we will learn what is an object, followed by what is an image, how image formation takes place in a plane mirror, its characteristics, and its uses. Although it could be, plane mirror is not the part of the syllabus, but to understand what is a virtual image and then what is a real image, we have to understand the characteristics of plane mirror also. That make your task easy. So what is an object? Anything which emits light of its own or either by reflection is called an object. सिंपल है कि कोई भी जो if you are standing in front of the mirror and your image is formed, that simply means that you are object. So last time I talked about luminous object and non-luminous object. We are part of non-luminous object, but we are also emitting light taken from someone, or we are reflecting the light taken from a light source. But here we are an object. Anything in the world which we can see is an object. The image is your optical appearance produced because of the reflection of light from the object is called an image. Now first we will take how image formation takes place in a plane mirror. That will further help you to understand what is an object and what is an image. Let's consider this is a plane mirror denoted by AA dash. And I am taking you an example of first a point object. What is a point object? Any object which could be very small, that could be considered as a point, is called a point object. Or any object which is very far away from the earth can be considered as point object in case of a planet. Correct? So this is the object, right? Now the first incident that is normal to the mirror, it will be reflected back. हो गया? एंड हमेशा याद रखना, दो इंसिडेंट रेट से इमेज का फॉर्मेशन होता है. एक आपने यहां छोड़ दिया, एंड अगेन एज पर रूल angle I is equal to here angle R. That means that after the reflection of the incident ray, let's say N dash, please listen carefully, OM is reflected back to its own path, and this incident ray ON after reflection goes to NN dash path. Means both the incident ray after reflection, that is the reflected rays OM, MO and NN dash is not meeting at a point. दोनों रे अपने अपने डायरेक्शन में भाग रहे हैं. तो in this case the image will be produced by projecting the reflected rays in the backward direction. Please listen carefully. The image when formed because of the drawing or projecting the reflected ray backwards in the opposite direction and making it join together, then such an image so formed is called as virtual image. In this case too, formation of a plane mirror. This is of a pointed object. Next, image formation in case of in plane mirror. However, this time the object is extended or a larger extended object. Please listen carefully. अब यहाँ पर मान लो एक कैंडल है आपके घर में, and this is, let's say, this is assume that this is a candle. डिनोटेड बाय AB. ठीक है. How will the image so formed in case of in the plane mirror? dash. पहले सिखाया था. Although this candle consists of infinite number of points. ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है. But to make your task easier, we will consider only 2 points. The point A, which is the tip of the candle, and point B, which is the last of the candle. Now, how the image will form in this case? एग्जाम में प्लीज सीख लीजिए, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगेन फ्रॉम हियर दिस विल गो बैक टू इट्स ओरिजिनल पाथ. अगेन एक पॉइंट जिसको आप कंसिडर किए उससे 2 लाइंस आप इंसिडेंट रे का दिखाएंगे. करेक्ट. This incident ray after reflection go back to its path MA, and this reflected ray go back to path its N dash. However, since the tip of A, the image of the tip of A is produced because of the meeting of reflected ray by projecting it backward, the image so produced is called वर्चुअल इमेज. यहां पर आपका बेटा ए डैश बना. सेम वे बी पे आप शो करेंगे. पॉइंट बी का आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन द इमेज सो प्रोड्यूस विल बी. Since this consists of infinite number of points, आप इसको please listen carefully. The image so formed is virtual. Now, if someone asks you what is the 2 differences between a real image and a virtual image? Real image and virtual image. The image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. Thus, in the cinema hall, the image that you see, the movie that you see, is actually obtained is an example of real image. The image produced in a plane mirror is a virtual image. Those images which cannot be produced on a screen is called a virtual image. Difference 1, difference 1. Difference 2. A real image is produced when the refracted rays actually meet at a particular point. Please exam में ये लाइन जरूर लिखिए. Real images are produced when the reflected rays actually meet at a point. Clear? Virtual images are basically produced when reflected rays are projected backward and when they meet. That means it is not actual meeting of your reflected rays. Then the image so produced is your virtual image. The example is the image produced in a plane mirror. So these are 3 differences between the real image and the virtual image. This is how image formation takes place in case of a plane mirror. Clear? अब हम लोग करेंगे what are the characteristics of the plane mirror. कभी भी तुम अपने आप को मिरर के जब सामने रखते हो तो देखना आपका फेस कभी भी अपसाइड डाउन नहीं दिखता है. दैट मीन्स द इमेज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अ प्लेन मिरर इज ऑलवेज इरेक्ट. सीधा ही दिखता है. कभी भी प्लेन मिरर के केस में आप अगर ऐसे हैं तो आप ऐसे कभी भी नहीं दिखिएगा. मीन्स द इमेज सो प्रोड्यूस्ड इज ऑलवेज इरेक्ट. द इमेज सो प्रोड्यूस्ड इज ऑलवेज virtual. That means it cannot be obtained on a screen. Point number 2. And इसका आप ये भी रीजन लिख सकते हैं because the reflected rays actually go back to their own path. However, the image is produced by projecting it backward in a backward direction. Point number 2. जब भी अपने आप को मिरर के सामने खड़ा रखोगे आप तो आप जितना पीछे जाओगे तो मिरर में इमेज का फॉर्मेशन भी पीछे होगा. And more you come closer to the mirror, आपका इमेज देखना मिरर में आगे आता जाएगा. मीन्स the distance between the mirror and the object, that is this one, dp, please listen carefully, and the distance between the image produced to the mirror is always equal, means object distance is always equal to your image distance. Point number 3. Point number 4, and the most important is, have you ever noticed that whenever you brush your teeth, your right part side of your body becomes the left part of in the mirror, and your left part of the body becomes the right part of the mirror. Such a phenomenon in which your right part seen becomes your left part in case of image formation, and your left part becomes your right part, such phenomenon is called lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. So the image so produced is your laterally inverted. Please write it down. The image so produced is laterally inverted. आज आप red लिखना, and in the mirror it will appear like D E R. Your right parts become your left part, the left part becomes your right part. This phenomenon again I am telling you is called lateral inversion. Please note it down, all these points. Again, one more thing. The image produced, the height of the image produced and the height of the object, both will always remain equal. Point number 5. Point number 5. Again, I am telling you, the height of the object is always equal to the height of the image. So, point number 5 is height of image equal to height of image always equal to height of object. 5 characteristics of the plane mirror. The image so formed is always erect, the image so formed is always virtual, the image so formed is always of the height, the size of the image and the size of the object will always remain the same. 4 number point, the object distance and the image distance is always remain the same, and the image so produced is laterally inverted. These are all the characteristics of the plane mirror. Last point, uses of plane mirror. Exam may, although it won't come, but still if it comes, what you will write? First, it is used to see what? Ourselves. Point number 1. Second, जो most important है, it is used to make periscope. I think in class 8 you have learned how to make a periscope or also kaleidoscope. Point number 3. Sometimes it is fitted in the shops to make the images, basically in the jewelry shop to make the image bigger. So these are basically the points that you have to write. That all for today. Thank you.